Why meditate? Our physical, mental, intellectual, and spiritual personalities must be blended into one harmonious whole. Meditation is the technique for achieving this harmony. It is the highest spiritual discipline. Through meditation, we come to experience peace within ourselves. Sit in a comfortable posture. A steady and pleasant posture produces mental equilibrium and prevents fickleness of mind. Interlock the fingers and place the palms in your lap. Relax the body and mind. Start mentally relaxing various parts of the body. Neck, shoulders, upper arm, lower arm, hands, chest, abdomen, back, thighs, knees, legs and feet. Let the mind inspect each muscle, releasing its stiffness and tension. Allow any thoughts that have already formed in your mind. Detachedly witness each thought rising and passing away. Fix your gaze upon the symbol of the Lord of your heart. Surrender to Him, demanding to love His help, guidance, and grace. Begin to chant Om deep within 3 times and then Gayatri mantra. Take a deep breath. स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. From Vedic times until the present day, spiritual aspirants have used Om chanting as an aid to meditation. Om is accepted as being both one with Brahma and also as the medium that connects the human being to God. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is nothing other than the light of consciousness, the infinite, the absolute. The mind is thought flow, just as water flowing continuously in a given direction is a river. So thoughts flowing continuously from an individual to the world of objects is the mind. If the water is clean, the river is clean. If the water flow is fast, the river is fast. Similarly, the mind is conditioned by its thoughts. If the thoughts are good, his mind is good. As the thoughts, so the mind. As the mind, so the man. While in reality, we are self, pure, conscious, we have forgotten our real nature. Relax. Relax the mind. Bring your focus to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Breath becomes the simplest place to start the inner journey. The yogis of India have practiced the simple technique of watching the breath in order to calm the mind. Try it now and see how your mind becomes calm and quiet, how easily you are concentrated and focused. We all are breathing, but we are unaware of it. Bring your attention to your nose. Breathe in consciously, aware of the air and its sensation. Feel it moving into your body. Breathe out through your nostrils. Keenly watch and feel the air going out of your body. In a few seconds, you feel a different energy in your being. You will be filled with calmness and peace. In the silence, your calming mind will find your own spirit. Your breath will show you the path from within. You will learn to move through turbulence without difficulty. You will happily smile and serve others who join you in all that you do. Your energy rises as you become meditative and contemplative. Take a deep breath and exhale. See yourself how easy it is to let go your agitation, confusion and restlessness. Relax. Relax the mind. Release the hands. Slowly rub the palms Keep on your eyes, forehead, cheeks, and open the eyes and just smile.